Hey, what's up guys? Today's video sponsor is Force Flex Hose. Force Flex Hose offers hydraulic hose, special fittings, custom hose, pipe, adapters, fasteners, and more. They also have a fabrication section. If you want to get your custom fuel line, oil line, brake lines made by them, they have crimper program barcoded bins tailored to meet your maintenance needs. Guys, be sure to hit them up, whatever questions you may have or need for your next project. And big shout out to Force Flex Hose for sponsoring today's video. Let's get to it.
So we're back with Velez Motor Works in my garage where I paint everything. So we've just finished up brake parts cleaning the valve cover and intake manifold. So after this, we're gonna give them a nice alcohol wipe down, and then we're gonna go ahead and spray these bad boys. Yeah, that's about it. What up, boys? You're back with Christian in the Velez Motor Works garage, where we put on our second coat. The first coat was some black engine enamel just to give our paint something to stick to, but got our first coat of red and black on the valve cover and the intake. It's looking, it's not terrible, not too bad. I forgot to take a video of this first coat. It was really late, about 3 or 4 a.m., but it's not looking too bad with the crinkle on the intake, and the red doesn't look too bad either, but you know, that's what more coats and sanding are for.
All right, boys, we got the old factory fuel pump out. Had to crack the casing a little bit, but oh well, it's all good. We got a new fresh jammy right here. Got the wall barrel 525 pump. Gonna have to do a little bit of soldering and finessing, whatever. So I'm gonna get to that, and we can put this new puppy back up in there, and we'll be in business. All right, boys, tapped into the old fuel pump harness, put some butt connectors on there, got some shrink tubing. We had to rig up with some zip ties to make the fuel pump stay in the housing, in the factory housing. And yeah, we're almost there, boys. Today, I am gutting out everything in my car. The back seats, this interior, all this stuff is coming out. I'm also getting rid of an old sound system that the car used to have that I no longer want. Let me get to that and we'll see what it looks like after. All right, here we go, guys. What y'all think? Half gutted A4? Let me know in the comment section. Have you guys gutted your race cars or street cars or whatever? It's actually my first time doing it. I like it already. I don't ever plan on going back to adding everything back, because there's no point. It's too much work, but it'll always be like this forever. Who knows? I might end up adding a cage in here or something. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, but yeah, let me know in the comment section if you guys vibe with this or not. It's pretty cool, something different, and we'll see where it goes from here.
Later that same evening.
Cylinder 1, 2, and 4 are all at 210. Cylinder 3, 0. So looks like I got to throw some valves in this head, but I'll be back. All right, boys, we got the cylinder head off. Let's take a look at the damage. Oh yeah, bent some valves. Looks like some intake valves got bent. And maybe, well, not maybe, the exhaust valve too. But I'm gonna get that taken care of. Should be back up in no time. Back up in no time. I'm gonna go ahead and order me a new head gasket. Also order me a new valve cover gasket. Swap out these valves. All right, boys, we got everything disassembled. Check out that bent valve right there. Golly, that thing is bent. We got the new one in, going back together. All right, what's up, boys? It is the next day. Just got back from Jeff's house last night. Got the new exhaust valve in, seated, no leaks. Cleaned off the valve cover. About to go in the house, get the new valve cover, seal it, put it on, put the valve cover on, get the intake on, get the exhaust manifold on, get the turbo back on, get the car back in time, finish buttoning everything else up. Let's get to work. This manifold is so cool. Big shout out to KSR Performance. This thing is nice, very nice. Welds are phenomenal. You got the rainbow color looking welds. KSR really did his job on this. So yeah, let's get this baby on there. Boys, got the car back together. Everything's looking good to go. This car will be leaving next week to head to the exhaust shop to get some fabrication work done. We still got to get an up pipe made for the hood exit. I got to get some custom intercooler piping made. Yeah, we're almost at the end. This car has come a long way, but that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.